Hi, welcome to MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I wanted to show you this brand new arrival. It's a 2025 Yamaha 255XD. With this being the X series boat, it is the surf boat, so it does have the full ballast as well as the nice system out back and the drive system paddles with the new side shift features. As we walk down the side, you'll see it's in the black color with this real nice light blue accent. It's a sharp look. It does come on the galvanized trailer you see pictured as well. As we hop aboard, you'll see this new for 2025 Cool Tech interior. It's a really great option. Keeps the boat nice and cool when you're out on the lake. In addition to that, you're going to have your sliders here. So it's a really flexible seating position out here on the back side, and some storage down below. Come on in through this center walk-through here, and you'll see it's going to have a great cockpit. Really inviting space. I'm stood here under the water sports tower. On the sides here, we've got two swiveling PTM wakeboard racks. And this boat also does come equipped with tower speakers that are not yet installed. It's an awesome sound system. It's a really great option. On the 25 footers, you do get this really cool entertainment center here with the pop-up table and some storage in here. Makes your space really flexible, and then when you're not using it, stows away really nice. As we come towards the port side here, we've got a really nice co-captain's chair, great glove box access, cup holders, all that kind of stuff, and then excellent head compartment here, great for storage or throwing a porta potty down there. On the subject of storage, this boat also has a center locker. It's good for putting skis and things in. You'll see we've got the cover poles in there now. It also does house your center ballast bag, so easy serviceability there. Up here at the helm, this boat, like I said, has the new drive system, so you're still going to have the paddles for forward and reverse, but it's now got the new dock hold feature on the sides here, which is super cool. It's very interesting, really nice setup to use, very user-friendly. You can have your large Connect screen and your wireless phone charger up here as well, so it's a great place to pilot the boat from. Good throttle positions. Wrapping up at the bow here on this 255XD. See, it's a nice deep seating area. This boat does also come equipped with a bow filler cushion that turns this into a nice sun pad. Up here at the very front, you've got dedicated storage for your anchor right in here, as well as a bow boarding ladder. So really great setup up here on the bow of the boat. It's an awesome boat for a do-all surf style boat. If you want to check this one out or any others, come stop by our showroom in Cornelius. Check us out online or give us a call. Thanks for watching.